So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we are going to see image view and we also gonna see scroll view. So scroll view is nothing but if your screen or if your activity has multiple items on the display or on the GUI, but some items will get uh, hidden by depending on your size of your application. So with the help of scroll view we can implement the scroll functioning into your application. So that is scroll view. And if you want to display any image inside your application, so at that time you use image view. So let's start by doing image view. So firstly I will remove all the code. This is my previous tutorial code, so I will also remove it from here. So as you might know, for any type of palette, you simply type the first letter and the suggestion will appear. So click on image view. So I want the image view to contain my full width, and depending on the size of the image, it will take the height. So it is a wrap content. Then I'm closing the tag and also providing the ID for the future purpose. So here I will say image view img view is the ID for my image view. So basically what you need one image. There are some different basic images here provided by default, that is launcher images, but what we want our own custom images. So in the first video I already mentioned the directory structure. So here inside the drawable folder you need to paste your image. So now I'm going to my downloads, and then sorry, inside my pictures I'm going to get this picture. Simply copy or you can drag and simply paste it inside or move it inside the drawable folder. It will ask you to refactor the changes. Simply click refactor. As you can see, my image is imported. So as you can see here inside the drawable folder, see our image. So inside the GUI or inside the XML file, you can simply assign the image with the help of one method called src, or the property of image view, that is source. Simply and then type @drawable to locate our folder where our image stays. So as you can see, suggestion appeared, drawable fall. Also here you can see the image appeared over here. So height is wrap content and width is match parent. So what if I want this specific height, as we are implementing the scroll view next, so it will be helpful. So I am giving it as a 350 dp. Okay, 350 dp is my size for the image, but you can see the image had some, but I will zoom for you. The image is not properly fitted with the image view. So this blue line indicates the image view, but what if we want to fit our image inside the uh, whole image view? So like this is the scaling of the particular image. So for that we have a method called scale or scale type. You can also use scale X and scale Y, but generally we will use scale type for both the purposes, that is X and Y axis. So here are different methods, or here are different attributes, that is fit XY, center, center crop. If you want your image to take the whole image view, so simply click on fit XY. It will automatically fit. As you can see here, it will fit the image to all the image. Now it's not that we want, so we will try to change our height so it looks better now. Okay, that's fine. For let's try to run our application. So yeah, that's nothing but the image view. So this is the setting image inside the XML file. So what if we want to set our image in Java or in backend. So now consider if you are planning an application like Blogger or application like Instagram. The posts are not static, that are dynamic, that are posts are coming from the somewhere from the database. So that time you need to assign the images in the Java file. So we will simply delete the source property. So after deleting the image, already declare the id, so no worries for that. Then we will create an object of image view and one variable for it, and then we will find the id of the image view. Image view equals to find view by id r dot id dot name of your image view. The id I previously assigned inside the xml file, that is image view. So as you can see, it is accepted by the Java file or no error occurred. Then, so to set the image, there are various methods, but we are using, or generally one method is used to call the object dot set image resource. So as you can see, the suggestion appeared, and it requires which type? Drawable integer resource id. So it requires a id. So simply pass r dot drawable dot the name of your image, that is wall, and simply save the. Android Studio automatically saves the changes for you, so no worries about that. Then simply we will try to run our app. So here, what is r dot drawable dot wall? So as we assign the image inside the uh, xml file with the help of drawable, at the rate drawable and then name of image. So in that way we need to assign the image depending on the resource, then drawable, inside the drawable folder my image reside, and then the name of the image. So our app is run. So as you can see, it is image is assigned. So as you can see, there is no image inside xml file. We assign it inside the Java and it will appear here. So then what next? If we have multiple image views and it takes the whole screen, so I will just remove the backend for now, and we need not any backend now for the next step. And we will assign source, that is drawable wall. As you can see here, image is assigned. But what if we have multiple? I am simply copying it and pasting it multiple times. Just a minute, I will remove the id part. We are not going to do this. Okay, we will add some padding for the space in between, spacing within the images. Okay, there is small amount of padding, we will increase the padding. Okay, never mind, that is 10 by default. Okay, so as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 image views, like 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when I run the application, terminate. So as you can see, there are only two of them are showing and third one in the half, because my device or my emulator size is low, that's why it's showing system UI. Okay, it's because sometimes your emulator takes an load overload, so that's why it says. Okay, so the images, that are 4 image views that are not showing. So in that case, we need scroll view to just simply apply the scrolling feature to your app. So now what we want, scroll view, but scroll view only works for only one child. So it has a requirement that it needs to be inside only one child. So these are full childs. As you can see here, these are 4 childs, but scroll view requires only one. So for that purpose, we are assigning a layout that is linear layout, match parent, and simply we are closing with the tag and pasting it below the our image tag. So now as you can see our images inside one parent, and the main parent is our main layout. So it's showing error because of the orientation purpose, as linear layout must assign orientation. Our orientation is vertical. So as you can see the four images appeared, but still the scrolling feature is not available. So now for the scrolling purpose, scroll view needs one parent, so simply assign like all the other tags scroll view and assign it to match parent, and simply close it and put the last, that is closing of the tag, and paste it below the our parent. So as you can see, just a minute, as you can see here scroll view is applied. So let's try to run our app. So as you can see here, when I simply scroll, it will scrolls the images. Okay, so in previously it only displays scrolling feature is not available. As you can see, let's try to run our application and let's give a try. Terminate. Yep, as you can see the four images appeared over here. Like our scroll view is working very fine. As you can see, one, two, three, and four images are showing. Likewise, you have multiple images, you can simply implement this type of structure or this type of scroll view. So yep, that's nothing for this video. So hope you like the video and give it a try, and let me know if you having an error or any problem. You can ask me anytime. So thanks for watching.